Batteries power our favorite electronic devices, right? But they're not meant to last forever. The good news is that Windows laptops have a battery report feature that breaks down whether your battery is still kicking on its last legs. All you need to do is enter one simple line of code in the right place. So, this report will take the form of an HTML file saved to the drive that will show your battery usage data, capacity, history, and life estimates. If it needs to be replaced, this report will tell you long before it has a chance to fail. For this task, you need to open Windows PowerShell. It's a built-in command line tool. You might not have used it before. The easiest way to access is to you can just right click on the icon and select Windows PowerShell, or you can just type it in the run window. So your pop-up window may ask, like, you have to open it in admin mode. So you have to just right click and run as administrator so that it will open in a admin mode. Now a pop-up window may ask you for the permission to make changes to your device. So click on yes. The blue PowerShell command will appear like this, allowing you to enter the commands to automate the certain task within Windows 10. Now you have to enter this command, so which I have it ready made on the notepad. So it is power cfg / battery report / output. So your file will be saved in cbatteryreport.html. So into the window, now you can press the enter command to run the command. So PowerShell will then tell you the name of the generated battery life report in the HTML file where it has been saved on your computer. So in this case, it has been saved in C drive. So now you can close the PowerShell and you can open this HTML file. So now this report will outline the health of the laptop battery, how well it has been doing and how much longer it might last. At the top of the battery report, you will see basic information about your computer, followed by your battery specifications. Under the recent usage, take note of each time the laptop ran on battery power or it is attached to AC power. So every drain over the last 3 days is tracked in the battery usage section. You can also get the full history of the battery usage under this usage history section. The battery capacity history will this section will show the capacity has changed over time, right? On the right, in the design capacity, it will say how much battery it was designed to handle. On the left, you can see the current full charge capacity of the laptop's battery, which will likely decline over time the more you use your device. So mine has been used for a long time, so it says it's almost drained. So this leads us to battery life estimate section. Now on the right, you will see how long it should last based on the design capacity. Now on the left, you can see that how long it's actually lasting. So with this, you can find out whether your battery has already drained out or is it time to change the battery. Hope you like the video. For more technical videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel HemaTechTalks.